Welcome back, guys. First of all, I'm sorry I couldn't upload a video yesterday as promised, but I will tell you why. Right now, let's get started with this one. So, here's the sketch. It looks really messy, I know, but we'll fix it. Don't worry, it's acrylic. And here are the colors I'm going to use. You can use the colors of your choice because this again is an abstract Ganapati painting. So as I was telling that I couldn't upload a video yesterday because we are in the middle of shifting the house. Yes, the same old story of those who live on rent. So we keep changing the houses every now and then, and this is again the same time. So I just couldn't upload. We are in the middle of packing and moving from one place to the other, so it's a little difficult on us. So that is why here I'm outlining this whole thing with black. I would have not done that now. I would have outlined later also, but since the sketch is really messy, so for my clarity I am outlining it neatly. And there. So it's an abstract painting. I suggest you to watch till the end because I will show you two variations of the same painting with just a little bit of addition. You can change it. Alright, so watch it till the end, and meanwhile I request you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get some beautiful art videos just like this one. And forgive me for the noise you must be hearing because as I told you, the movers and packers at my house and they are packing the stuff, so you might hear some noise. Alright, so I'll be shutting up now. I'll leave you with the beautiful music as you enjoy the painting process. As I told you, I will have to outline the painting with black once again once I have painted it. So that's what I'm doing now. But as you see, adding the blacks really makes the color pop up like that. For the background, I'll be using neon colors, but I'll be mixing the normal acrylic paint in this fluorescent yellow green. As you see, I'm adding some ultramarine blue in the fluorescent neon yellow. So the down part of the painting will be this ultramarine blue, and the upper part of the painting will become a different shade of green, dark green. If you want, you can choose any color of your choice. So this is just what I liked and I wanted to use. So as you see, it's a different color, and as you see me filling the color in the background, I'm not blending it, I'm not smoothing it, because I want this texture which I'm getting by just dabbing the color with the round brush. I'm not using a flat brush over here because I don't want to blend it smooth. I want this rough texture, uneven texture, like that. See, this different kind of green is created when I mix neon yellow with this ultramarine blue, like so. I'm using the back of my brush to put this fluorescent pink over the garlands. And I really want to thank you if you're still there, my friend. Thank you so much for the support and love. We are almost there with the painting, the first version of the painting. So keep watching till the end if you want to see both the versions. A bit of outlining here and there. That's the yellow tika again with the back of my brush, and we are done with the first version. Time to reveal it. So that's our first version. You can keep it like this if you like it, but I'm going to add a couple of more details. Have a final look at it. There, it's pretty already, but after I add some white highlights, you will think it looks even better. At least that's what I think. And also I had forgotten to add the tusks, so here I do that. And that's the detail I was talking about, the white highlight over the trunk and the ears of Ganapati. And that will be the final look for me. Hope you also liked this video. Let me know which look did you like better, the one with the white highlight or without highlight. And thank you so much once again. If you're still here, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.